Good morning children. Today I am going to take your revision. GK 1 to 7 lesson I taught. So in that 1 to 7 lesson only your portion for exam. Because in the next 2 days you are conducting that exam. That's why revision is most important. You know orally question answers. But spelling is learning also most important part of the GK. So see children, whenever I am asking the question, you know orally, but you can't write. That's why spelling learning is homework for you. So see, I written here some words already. I give one, so you have to learn the spellings. Basket, bicycle, Aladdin, Minnie, Pooh, Goofy, Mickey, Tiger, Peacock, Lotus, Tricolor, Hockey, Lion Capital, Cricket, Football, Chess, Lawn Tennis, Badminton, Boxing, Golf, Baseball, Moon, Stars, Rainbow, Sun and India. So these are the words when you are learning the spelling, easily you are writing in your exam. That's why you have to learn, and now I am going to take revision because now only you got the book from the school. Just see children, in this book, open this book, General Knowledge Up to Date, lesson number 1. Which wrong things we can see in this both the picture? That already I explained you. Here dustbin spelling, bicycle, girl, boy, grandma, signal, tree, flowers, butterfly. These spellings you should learn from this first lesson. Second lesson. Here you know Aladdin matching you are doing because same part I given here. If I giving these pictures, you should write your own. Who is he? Pooh, Minnie, Mickey, Goofy, Aladdin. So that's why this spellings learning is most important, because that Daksh very nicely reading. You also try to read the lesson. When you are reading, then only you are writing the answers. So see here children, national animal tiger, tiger spelling you should learn. National bird peacock, peacock spelling you learn. Lotus, tricolor, the flag has tricolor. This is lion capital, this is our emblem, lion capital. This is our national game, hockey. So hockey spelling, that all I written on the board, that copy I am sending to you. You have to learn. So here tick mark is there already. I explained this. This reading you have to do. If you are reading this, covering your mouth with hand while yawning. So this is the correct. When you should try to read the sentence. Raising hand to answer a question. Making noise in the class. Jumping on the desk in the class. Helping elders. Saying thank you. So you read and then which is the correct, that you have to do the tick mark. This is color. Color options I am giving. Next. So these all the sports personalities name you know. Virat Kohli. Which game is famous for cricket? And then Vishwanathan Anand. Chess. Who is he? Sania Mirza. Lawn tennis, MC Mary Kom, boxing, Saina Nehwal, badminton, Baiching Bhuthe, football. So these football, lawn tennis, these are all the words I written on the board that you have to learn. When I showing these pictures, you should write cricket, chess, lawn tennis, because this name is little bit difficult for you. That's why when I taking the exam, that time you should write which sports she is famous and which sports she is playing, he is playing. The sports personalities name just you have to read in your book and learn the spelling. The sky above us, riddle, first you have to read the riddle this. We are seen only at night, you cannot count us, who are we? When you are reading, then you are understanding, you have to write here stars. So read and write the correct answer everywhere. So this is your homework, first to 7th lesson, reading and words. See your words. These words you have to learn. One time write and learn many times. Tell your parents each spellings. This is your homework. Thank you, children.